Some days I love doing my hair and other days I do not. So today I'm sharing my 5 favorite cute and easy scarf styles that always save me on the days I just don't want to do my hair. Okay, so today I'm using a new scarf that I ordered from Amazon the other day. I'll have the exact one linked down in the description if you want to check it out. I don't know if you can tell, but I have already stained the scarf because of course I'm always playing around and doing something chaotic. But you know what? That's okay. Let's get started. First, I'm just going to spray a little bit of water around my hairline at the front, the sides, and the back of my head. Then I'm going to apply a little shine and jam around those same areas for my edges just to slick everything down and give it a little bit of grip. And honestly, that's all I'm doing to my hair today before putting on the scarf. We are keeping it very simple. Okay, so for look number 1, we have a cute and easy bun scarf wrap. I'm just going to gather my hair into a bun, and this doesn't have to be neat at all. Next, I'm folding the scarf into a triangle just like this. Then I'm placing it on my head with the triangle point at the back and the long straight edge at the front. Okay, and here I go again playing around. Did we not learn after I stained the scarf within the first 5 minutes? Apparently not. Anyways, I'm going to tuck the scarf behind my ears and grab the 2 corners from the long side of the triangle. I'm going to crisscross them at the very back of my head without catching any of the extra fabric from the scarf. Then I'll bring them back up to the top of my head, tie them once, and slide them down until they reach the top of my bun underneath the scarf. Next, I'm taking the remaining fabric that's covering my bun and tucking it underneath. Then I'll bring those 2 ends over top, crisscross them underneath, and tighten everything until the scarf molds nicely around my bun. Once I have that, I'm just going to twist the remaining fabric together and wrap it around. It got a little blurry here, but I'm tying the ends together and tucking any extra fabric into the folds until everything looks nice and neat. And that is it. I like to push the scarf back a little bit and clean up my edges, but honestly, wear it however you like. Here's what the back looks like. I think it's super cute, really easy, and comes together so quickly. But hold on, if your scarf is really silky or just doesn't like to stay in place, grab a headband. Place the middle of the scarf on top of your head with the printed side down and one corner hanging in front of your face. Then put the headband on where you want the scarf to sit. Then follow the same steps to create the bun scarf wrap. Next up is look number 2, and this one is one of my favorites. I'm just going to put my hair into a loose ponytail using a scrunchie. You can use an elastic or whatever you have. And again, doesn't have to be perfect. For this one, fold the scarf into a triangle, then fold the point down slightly. Now I'm placing it on top of my head and tucking it behind my ears. Then I'm grabbing the 2 corners and crisscrossing them at the back of my head, just like that. Next, I'm bringing them back up to the top of my head, tying them once and sliding everything down until it reaches the top of my ponytail, just like we did with the bun style. Then I'm bringing the corners down and tying them once, and that is it. Again, I like to pull the scarf back just a little bit so my edges are out there. I really love this style. It's so comfy, it doesn't hurt my head at all, and I think it's really cute. Now, if you want another variation of the style, you can leave the corners of the scarf a little bit longer so they blend into your ponytail. I think it blends into the ponytail nicely, and it's just a cute little variation. Okay, look number 3. Start with the scarf folded into a triangle, then fold it up until it looks like a headband. Next, I'm placing it underneath at the back of my head and bringing both ends up to the front. I'm going to crisscross them, bring them back down, and tie everything at the back of my head. Then I'm just tucking any extra fabric into the folds on the sides of the scarf until everything looks nice. And you already know we can't forget to shine and jam those edges. Then I'm taking my hair down, fluffing it up, and I'm good to go. This style is one of my favorites on a fresh wash and go, but I still think it looks really cute. If you want another vibe while keeping the same style, you can leave the corners of the scarf a little bit longer. This time, instead of placing the scarf underneath my hair, I'm putting it on top. Then I'm tying it into kind of a bow. Honestly, whatever works to keep it in place while those corners hang down. I really like the length of fabric for this version. I think it blends into my hair really nicely, especially when my wash and goes have a lot of shrinkage. You can also skip the bow completely and just leave the fabric hanging a little bit longer if you prefer. Both ways are really cute. Okay, so for look 4, I'm starting with the scarf folded into a triangle. This time I'm folding the tip about halfway and then folding it over one more time. Now I'm placing the scarf at the back of my head, bringing bringing both ends up and around to the front, then crisscrossing them. Next, I'm bringing them back down to the back of my head and double tying them to secure everything in place. Then I'm just going to play around with the scarf a little bit, shape it how I like, and tuck in any extra fabric until it looks nice and neat. After that, I'm fluffing up my puff, shaping it how I like, and that is it. Now, if you want the scarf to hang down at the back, you can do the exact same thing, just double tie it at the back and leave the ends out instead of tucking them in. I also think pulling out a couple of curly pieces at the front to frame your face is another cute way to wear this style. Last look, number 5. Start with the scarf folded into a triangle, then fold up the long edge like this. Next, I'm placing the small triangle point at the back and bottom of my head. Then I'm bringing each end around to the front and double tying them so everything is nice and secure. Now I'm just sliding the whole scarf around my head until the small triangle point reaches the front. Then I'm pulling the scarf down and back where I want. After that, I'm pulling the folded fabric out so the scarf opens back up into the full triangle shape. Now it's time to let my hair down. No scrunchie, no elastic. It's finally time to let these curls breathe. Then I'm just pulling out a couple of pieces at the front to frame my face, and that is it. Super cute and super easy. I wear these to the grocery store, when I'm running errands, to the gym, honestly, just about anywhere. So we're all done. For today, I'm actually going to put my hair back into the bun style from earlier and finish the rest of my day. Someone actually requested that I show how I did this bun style after seeing me wear it in another one of my videos. I honestly love getting suggestions and feedback from you guys in the comments. It's so helpful and I love chatting with you guys. Let me know what you thought of today's video and which look was your favorite. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.